grenade launcher. But you see, the grenade launcher is a short, medium range grenade launcher that does 150 damage, 180 fire rate. The grenade launcher provides 6 explosive kabooms, but also takes time to explode, which takes about 2.8 seconds, I believe. And you see, it also works like a grenade. It takes 2.8 seconds to detonate, but the grenade takes 4 seconds to detonate, which is better than a grenade. And 6 shots as well, which is pretty impressive, and 150 damage, amazing. Grenade launcher works as a hard breacher. It can breach metal walls with 3 shots, sitting at soft walls. But it's not really recommended unless you want to crawl on all fours, your choice. The downside of it is reloading. It empties an entire mag and you have to singly reload everything. It takes a full 7 seconds to reload, so it takes a long time, so pretty much, yeah. You can also hit some nasty trick shots through a grenade launcher. Like, literally, watch this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the new weapon they released. It's called, by the way, it's called the M32. It's, you know, yeah, it's that good. The gun, it's actually good. It can breach walls, barricades. It does provide good damage, and maybe you can clear rooms with it, which is awesome. So yeah. Psst, hey, over here. Hey, if you want more content like this, please subscribe and like, because I am just running out of ideas. And like, it'll help me a lot, generally. So like, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate y'all for being here. Peace.